Good morning. Trying to be as fast as possible, but it feels I have too many things. So yeah, this is second day. Race around Rwanda, and there are 40 kilometers, 40 something kilometers to CP1. So the goal, I will be making it to CP1 and then keep cycling until I find another accommodation. Hopefully at kilometer 300 something. Yeah, to do something more. Earlier I stopped a few minutes to eat
because I need a bit more than bars, fruits. So I need also to rest my legs, my knees. And what is a bit uncomfortable about me, because every time you stop, doesn't matter for what, because we are crossing, they're just crossing through villages. There are so many kids and people that stop and stare at you. Of course, normally, naturally, will be to share with them, but I have so little that I don't know what to share. I don't know. Muzungu! My name is Muzungu!
My name is Muzungu!
Yeah. So yeah, everywhere I stop, everywhere I do, they're everywhere. They're cute, they're nice. The climb, it's almost over, but it was steep, really steep. And these kids, madre mia, they do this every day, They're faster than me. They're faster than me. Second day, and here comes the rain. I need to change the glasses. Hanging my pants to get dry because yesterday I washed it and no, it did not get dry. Yeah, my plans of like getting closer to city 2, I don't think it's going to become real today. If I make it to 290 or 200, 300, kilometers 300, which there should be like some accommodation, that should be good. I have like plenty of time, so I mean, yeah, it's good to have plans, but it's even better to enjoy it and to take a break, relax. I'm going to stay here for a while. the last kilometers of the day, and at the same time the last climb, which is quite long, around 5 kilometers left. So right now I'm pushing the bike. What I'm more afraid is that the rain is behind us or on our left, and whew, yeah, probably it's going to be the second rain of the day. And here I have a young gentleman. He's helping me push the bike. He is helping me because I'm exhausted. yeah. The second day of Race Across Rwanda, it's finished because voila, made it to the hotel. And guess what? If last night, my bike was so dirty, take a look. Now it's the cleanest bike maybe in the whole competition. Yeah. As a cyclist, the only request I have everywhere I'm going, like in any is just to have the bike next to me, because I have everything on it. So going back, and now it's raining. It's raining, so having it next to me is the best that can happen to me in any bikepacking trip. So yeah, to have it in the room, the man from the reception, he helped me clean it, so it was really kind of you. So yeah, now I'm going to take a fast shower and go for the for the dinner. So yeah, day 2 completed. Good morning from day 3, cycling across Rwanda. It's past 6 and the morning started with a downhill. It's going to be like 11, maybe more or less 11 kilometers downhill. And my arms are like hurting from like using the brakes to the maximum. But it sort of is, and the noise, the sounds are unique. Never heard these birds before, so yeah. It's worth stopping and enjoying it. really impressive views. And this is downhill. So downhill, it's the roads are perfect. I mean, how to say, I feel that I have like a really huge speed up to 35-40 kilometers. So I'm not recording anything, or I'm not stopping that often, because you really enjoy the downhill. And today I have a feeling that it's always about like the wrong turns. And here in the countries of 1000 hill, if you just go down, doesn't matter if it's 100 meter, the uphill is not easy. It's not easy. And also I think the kids, they and not only the kids, but also I think the GPS is showing me like take right, but then I realized after a few hundred minutes it was supposed to be left. So yeah. So when I'm taking also those wrong turns, I'm also taking breaks for extra pictures and videos. I stopped for a short break to eat, and look at the view. Gosh, with views like this, I will stop anywhere. Anywhere. We get down somewhere there on the road with this spectacular view on the lake. How to say, I think I'm enjoying so much the route through the tea plantations to the villages, that when I reached the road I was like, oh wow, there's a road. I didn't miss the road at all, because yeah, it's so enjoyable. I love it to cycle through the nature. And the gravel here, it's paradise. So if you're coming to Rwanda, you'll see that it's like paradise for gravel, cycling gravel. So yeah, why cycle on the road? It's boring. Just go gravel. A few minutes, I left checkpoint 2, which I made it a few hours before the deadline. I mean, the deadline was tonight, midnight. So now, hello! The next goal is checkpoint 3, and the deadline is tomorrow at midnight again. And until checkpoint 3 are 190 kilometers, with another 2,500 elevations. And right now this area is the volcano area, is like really famous, and people are coming here to go and see the gorillas. I'm not sure I'm going to see a gorilla from the bike, but yeah. This is our situation. That's it. Day 3, I finished it at kilometer 461. It's already 7 p.m. here, so it's getting dark really early, and yeah, it's time to get a good rest and then continue tomorrow morning. What is interesting, and also I was super surprised, is that in the city, in the area, there's no electricity, and on the road it was like really dangerous, and I was like, this is strange, right? So reaching at the motel, they have no electricity, so now I'm using my frontal light. So yeah, they said there's going to be back like in 15 minutes, the electricity, so it's going to be interesting if there's not going to be electricity. But yeah, anyway, it was really good day today. Oh, I felt so strong after the CP2. I felt that the pumpkin soup that I ate, it was like magic. I was feeling really, really strong. But yeah. Good morning from day 4, kilometer 470. I think, yeah, the elevation is above 2,000, and the clouds looks like it's water, but it's not the water. It's just a cloud, so yeah, cycling above the clouds.